Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to start a dropshipping business on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Before you begin, do your keyword research. The key to success in dropshipping is to find a profitable niche. Before you start building your site, do some research on what goods might be best for you to start with. To manage this, keyword research is important. You can use Google Keyword Planner or you can use SEMrush. You can research your keyword using Google Keyword Planner. As a cheap free way of doing this, try to make use of Google Keyword Planner and test out the products you are thinking of selling. This will give you an estimate of the level of interest in those products. SEMrush. Alternatively, you can make use of SEO tool like SEMrush, which reveal more accurate information. So step 1, to start dropshipping on Shopify, follow this step. Step 1, register for a Shopify account. Registration of an account on Shopify is free. All you need is an email address to confirm your account with, and you can sign on with them. No credit card or other payment method form is needed. Shopify offers only users a 14-day trial on their system. Step 2, install dropshipping apps. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be brought to your store dashboard. From here, you can start adding products to your site. This is where one of the highlights of Shopify for dropshipping comes in: Shopify apps. Step 3, search for products you want. Step 4, import selected products to your website. Step 5, setting up your Shopify store. Step 6, customizing your Shopify dropshipping store. Step 7, setting up payments. So these are the key way to start a dropshipping business on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.